Ocean Breeze Chronicles, Part 2. Well, I guess I killed Thomas. That Ocean Breeze is still in the air. Okay. I mean, of course, he just sprayed it. Well, time to go. I finally defeated Thomas. Well, yeah, I'm pretty tired. I did a lot today. I fought off an evil dragon, and a cat, and a train. Yep, I'd say I've done a lot today. Well, what am I going to do with my life now that I've beat my arch nemesis? I guess I'll just play video games and eat pizza rolls. Oh, I'm going to bed now. Whee! Well, I'm gonna turn off the light now. Die, 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 die! I thought I killed you. Like I said earlier, Luigi, I'm indestructible! Ow! Ah! Ah! Pizza rolls. Perfect. I know you're around here somewhere, Luigi. Oh my gosh, pizza rolls, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, just put me back in your home. Nice and safe. What? I thought the power of pizza rolls would have killed you. I'm indestructible! Well, how am I supposed to beat you then? You can't. That's kind of the point of being invincible. Oh, well, I guess there's no point in fighting you anymore. Well, bye. Okay, then. I'm off to rule the world! Oh, wait, I already did that one. Oh, I need a new catchphrase when I'm leaving. Well, I'll think of something. I beat Thomas back to his castle. Maybe I can surprise him. Oh, wait, I need a weapon, though. What am I gonna use? What am I gonna use? We'll just wing it. He's gotta have some weapons in there, right? Okay, let's see. We need a weapon. We need a weapon. Yes. Perfect. Oh no, it's Ocean Breeze. Okay, carefully, I have gloves on. We'll just take the Ocean Breeze and hide it somewhere where he'll never find it. Genius. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh, where's my weapon? Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Just gotta find some place to hide. And, yeah. Maybe if I hide up on the roof, he'll never find me here. Or maybe I can hide up on top of that sniper tower. Oh my gosh, it's a time-traveling machine! Oh, thanks, baby me. I could really use this gun. It's a Nerf gun, though, YouTube. Don't age restrict me. It's just a Nerf gun. Well, thanks, baby me. Have fun back in wherever you came from. Okay, I'll just hide right here. Where's my Ocean Breeze? I know you're in here, Luigi. Or at least you have been in here. Oh, Luigi! Where are you, Luigi? Why don't you just come out and tell me where you're at, Luigi? Ah! left my gun up there. Ah! Alright, stand back, Thomas. I've got a Nerf gun. Thomas, you okay there? Did I actually... Thomas, why won't you die? I'm indestructible. Do you need me to explain it again? No. But, I think I know something that can kill you. A Nerf gun. Oh no, a Nerf gun! Oh, what am I ever going to do? Say goodbye, Thomas. You missed. Crap. Okay, take 2. Oh no, I have been hit. Oh yeah, that one really hurt, I bet, didn't it? No, it didn't hurt at all. Also, hey minions! Someone get me my ocean breeze! Ah! It's the ocean breeze. Alright, I gotta get this to Thomas. I bet he really needs it. Hey, Thomas, I got the ocean breeze. Good job, Bowser. Alright, so what, do I get my pay raise soon? No, we don't have any money yet. I haven't robbed any banks. Well, you're telling me you took over the world, but you haven't robbed any banks yet? Yeah. I mean, I've never robbed a bank either, I guess. Well, here's your ocean breeze. Oh, Luigi! I'm coming for you, Luigi! Please, Thomas, it doesn't have to be like this. Hey, Luigi, I got some ocean breeze here. No, please, Thomas, no. No, 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 no!